If you love seeing what people pick up doing add-ons, pop-up sales, and drop shops, then you're in the right place because boy, oh boy, I went a little ham. Hi everyone, I'm EYEKO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. EYEKO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you just love watching people unbox their pop shop, pop-up haul, add-ons, drop shop, I can't keep track of the name, from Boxycharm, then you're in the right place. But boy, oh boy, yeah, I went ham on day one when we selected our choices. And then I got suckered into one of their marketing emails. They're like, we added some new products and something caught my eye. I went onto the site and lo and behold, I think I actually bought more the second time I shopped than I did the first time. I don't know. I have a shopping problem. Someone please help. All right, enough rambling. Time to see what I got. Because even though it was a month ago, I don't remember what I ordered. Just good stuff at a good price. Okay, yes, I'm super excited because I just, out of the corner of my eye, saw one of the products that I was super excited was available. And that would be this product here. We have from Hourglass, the Ambient Lighting Blush. Bougie, bougie, bougie. I have never owned or tried a product from Hourglass. I only know the brand from watching other beauty YouTubers. And I cannot tell you how excited I am. Because I don't even know what this costs. But I bet there's no way in hell I would have bought it at full price. Look at this packaging. I'm sorry, I'm going to blind you. I'm trying to figure out how to, oh, there we go. Now, is this a mini or full size? It comes with a mirror. And would you look at how beautiful that is? Oh my goodness. All right, let's do a swatch. Oh, it's very subtle. Very, can you even see that on me? All right, well, if you are heavy-handed with the blush, like, hello, this might be good. All right, I don't care. I don't care how it works. I just want to be able to say, oh, yes, I own something from Hourglass. And like, I'll be able to say I've tried a product from Hourglass. I don't know what it is, but about bougie products that, you know, tick it off the list. Yes. Laura Mercier. No, I can't tick her off, but you know what I mean. All right, next item. What is this? I got something from Milk Makeup. This is in the shade Nug. I think this is going to be a lip product. Maybe a lip balm. As adorable as this triangle packaging is, it's kind of a pain to open. All right, so this, yes. Oh, interesting shade. All right, well, let's do a swatch. Okay, good. Stuff like that always looks, when it's a balm, it can look dark, but then it goes on lighter. Let's see how this fares on top of this 17 products already on my lips. That's lovely. OMG. This is magnetized. Talk about a bougie fancy lip balm. All right, wait, are you a lip balm? I just assumed that. What is this? KUSH lip balm, yes. All right, one more time. Does that bring anyone else as much joy as it does to me? All right, next item. Deja vu. I just recently unboxed, filmed, edited some Boxycharm add-on hauls that I did in like August, September. And I had picked this up and well, now I got another one. This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum from Dermelect. I probably ordered it again because I didn't know I owned it because I hadn't unboxed the other one. It comes in a nice bottle. Lovely product. I've tried from them before. We get them in various boxes. All right, moving along. Next item. I have a shopping problem. Okay, so this is from Iconic London, and this is the Ultimate Bronzing Powder. Okay, so here's the issue. I get so many products. I get so many boxes. I get so much stuff that I don't go through or use as frequently as one should. So I bought this, but I already got it in a box like not too long ago. All right, you know what I'm going to do? This will be in a future giveaway. I need to unbox these things sooner so I don't buy the same stuff, not realizing I already bought it. Ay, ay, ay. All right, what else did I get? Okay, so I got this product here from Ciaté, London. It's the Everyday Vacay Fresh Coconut Extract Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Please smell good. I love the smell of coconut. Ooh, this is some fishy looking packaging. It's heavy. This isn't glass, but it's a very upscale plastic, if that makes sense. Like, I almost thought it was glass. Maybe it's glass. I don't know. It's hefty. Let's see how good the spritzer is. Well, considering I was pointing it at my hand and it went in my eye. Was I don't know. Take two. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is a very fine mist. Sounded aggressive, but only one way to find out. Closing eyes. What is it with setting sprays lately? This is very aggressive, a very fine mist, but aggressive, and then there were 1 to 3 globs. What I'm going to do is when I get hit and empty on one of my good setting spray bottles, it's just dump stuff in because nobody wants to get attacked by a setting spray. All right, next item. What is this? All right, you're tiny. Smith & Colt. Ooh. Typically stuff from Smith & Colt that I've received in boxes has been like nail polish. And I don't order nail polish, so what is this? Ooh, are you a lip product? This is a Hydragloss. And from the bottle, it looks like my dream shade, but you never know lately. Oh, it looks like it would go really well with that KUSH. All right, well, you know me. Pile it on. Very comfortable. It has a scent. It almost smells like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, cloves. It smells like fall. Don't quote me on that, but that's the sense I get. All right, next item. All right, I got an eyeshadow palette from the Crème shop, and this is 9 pans with mattes, shimmer, and glitter finishes, and it is a travel size, designed in Los Angeles, and it's called Desert Springs. There is no mirror, and it's kind of cheap plastic, but I don't care. I bet you anything this was like $3 or $6. That is a lovely color story. I'm going to hold off on swatching it because this may or may not go into a giveaway. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. Some that I picked up I haven't even tried yet. Oy, oy, oy. All right. And the last item is yet again an eyeshadow palette, but this one is from Huda. It's the Pastels Rose. I go from not owning any Huda palettes. By the way, Huda, I cannot stand, and e.l.f. e.l.f. does the same thing, and NYX. This plastic stuff, it's noisy on camera and hard for me to open. Okay, so I went from not owning any Huda palettes. Now I own 5 in like a month. Isn't that crazy? Thank you, Boxycharm. All right. Ooh. All right, look at that. I'm sure all of you are like, yeah, been there, done that. I've owned that palette for 2 years now. That is lovely. I will swatch this because it's a Huda palette. All right, they seem a little powdery and patchy, but you know, I don't care. Swatched Huda on my face. All right, not now, but later. I feel like this should be one video. That was really long. What are your thoughts of this first box? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of what I spent versus MSRP. Knowing me and how I shop, hopefully this was really good. All right, on to the second box. Okay, there's one additional product in this box. I talked a lot the first round. All right, I'm going to go quicker. So I got a foot manicure, pedicure set, Nailed It by Lex and Willow. It's a stocking stuffer for my husband. Okay, next item. All right, so I picked up a mascara from EYEKO London, mainly because it actually said waterproof. It took me by surprise because rarely do I see waterproof mascaras on any of the beauty subscriptions. So I thought, hey, it's cheap. Why not? Okay, next item. I got something from Huda Beauty. This here is Fewer Better Beauty Essentials. What is that? Oh, On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. Ooh. For some reason, at first I thought it was going to be some kind of skincare. Oh my goodness, look at this packaging. There's some weight to it. This is metal. Oh yes, now I remember slightly. So one end is like a highlighter, and the other end should be a blush. Or maybe that's like a blush topper, or however you choose to wear it. Oh, yes. Okay. I put on way too much, but now you can see it. So, yes. And then if you blend this out, it won't be so dark. That is lovely. I am really into cream products lately. I got mature, dry skin. I'm loving that product. All right, next item. I got a twofer. It was some kind of a buy two for a really good deal. This is from Kate Somerville, and it's the EXFOLICATE Glow Moisturizer. I love this. I love this brand. I love Kate. Kate, if you're watching, hi. Never. But yes, and I'm noticing that this was in a recent box, and then I'm noticing other people got it in this month's box, or maybe it was Ipsy and then box. I don't know. They're floating this stuff around. I don't care. I love it. So, yay. What else did I get? Okay, whatever this is, it is super heavy. This is from QMS MediCosmetics, and it's Hydrating Boost Tonic Mist. Ooh, are you going to be a glass bottle, and that's why this is so heavy? No, again, this is bougie plastic. This is heavy. What are you? 200 ml. So this is the proper size for a face mist. Please be a good mister. Again, it's a fine mist, but I can tell already. She's going to be aggressive. What I do for you all. Oh. Fine, aggressive with 4 to 5 globs. And a scent. Slightly floral. Not obnoxious-ish. Virgin. But wearable. Alright. Next item. What is this? We got something from Persona. An eyeliner. 24-hour waterproof. Is there just one? For some reason, I want to say these are a dual pack. Okay, it says black, but this straight up looks brown. Let's cross our fingers. It's actually, oh yeah, she's black. It says waterproof. I have a feeling the second I put on my waterline, blink down below, but we shall find out in the future. Okay, next item. What is this? We have, from Skin Inc., a Serum Glow Filter. What is a Serum Glow Filter? Why is my hair looking silly? Oh, because I've put 50 things of spray on? Oh my goodness. If you're still here, leave a comment and say, let me know your favorite setting spray. Ooh. What is this? Please pick up on camera. Doesn't that look cool? Look at those little gel beads. Okay, I do remember picking this just because it looked cool. Don't know what it does. I saw the word glow and the word serum. So let's, are you safety? Okay. She's thick. I'm going to go with doesn't seem to have a scent. Not one that I can pick up. Feels lovely. Looks cool in the packaging. All right, last item. We have something else from a bougie brand. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is the Hot Holiday Lip Gloss Set in an assortment of shiny, bright, glossy colors. It doesn't say that. I just added that because I couldn't read what it was saying. Does it tell me what shades are in here? Wouldn't that be lovely? No, of course not, but I'm just going to do this. You can see they're all EYEKO Warrior friendly glosses. So, yay. No way am I trying these all on. But let me grab one just to see if they have a scent. Oh, yes. Smells sweet. Maybe like vanilla. Please don't be sticky. Aww. It feels like it could be sticky. Alright, I'm going to try one on. It's clear-ish. Okay, good. Not sticky. Thick. Therefore, on my hand it feels sticky, but does not feel sticky on the lips. Alright, that concludes the second box. This is a long video, I can already tell. Let's do a quick recap of the second box. Alright, what are your thoughts of haul box number 2? I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total versus what I paid. Yes, hopefully, again, I got a really good deal. I know those Kate Somerville products are like $70 a pop. I can't remember what I spent, but it was like one of those get two for a really good price. So, yay me. Leave me a comment and let me know, do you shop as hard and as often as I do? There's something about, it's such a good deal, name brands, 70% off, 80% off. I don't know, I'm a sucker. I need to stop. 2022, I think my resolution's going to be no buys, no shopping. And so I can use up the stuff I already own. If you only saw how much stuff I have that I've never even opened or tried, it's sad. All right, enough rambling. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you so much. Make sure you click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And it would do me a huge favor if you could click that thumbs up. It really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.